Microsoft just dropped a game changer, an AI agent which can perform human-like tasks with just a simple text command. Imagine typing buy milk and the AI navigates a browser, finds the right item, it places the order and checks out all on its own, or methodically pull all the Git repos that you have. GitHub repos, if you are not familiar with the coding terminology, is where programmers store all their codes, and it's very easy to sync codes both from the offline to the online repository. So essentially, when we perform a Git pull, it pulls all the codes that in the online repository and syncs with the local repository and keeps them synced over time. So if we just say that clone the Git repo, it will methodically find the browser, go to the URL and start looking for the button which says clone the GitHub repository. And once it finds the button which allows it to clone the GitHub repository, then it will copy that text and then copy the text and places in the terminal, and the terminal will just clone the GitHub repo. So this is not a future concept. Omniparser is here, and it's a Microsoft take on AI powered screen control. It essentially uses a multimodal vision model to see the UI and elements and interact with them intelligently, and it has a very fine-grained control. Think the Claude's computer user agent much better. It offers more granular screen element detection and smoother automation. Let's be real, giving an AI full control of our screen is still a security risk. If you have been following us, we explored this tech in episode 64 with Claude's agent, where we described all the agentic framework, and in that context we talked about the first use case of using the agentic framework was using a web browsing agent, and this is where we are, where a web agent can autonomously take a task and browse the web and perform the task on our behalf. If you want to test it live, let us know.